Welcome. Today, we're diving into a new update on LinkedIn that allows you to enable invitations for your page from your network. This feature can significantly enhance your page's visibility and engagement. Let's walk through the steps to activate this setting on your PC. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will give you access to all the features available to you. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents your profile and is where you'll find various settings related to your account. Click on the Me icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is essential for managing your account's privacy settings and preferences. After entering the Settings and Privacy page, focus on the left-hand side menu and click on Data Privacy. This section contains options that control how your data is shared and who can interact with your profile. Now, scroll down until you find Invitations from your network. Click on this option to access the settings related to how you receive invitations for your page. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Enable Page Invitations. Toggle this setting on. By enabling this feature, you allow your connections to invite others to follow your page, which can help grow your audience and increase engagement with your content. Remember, activating this feature is a great way to leverage your existing network for expanding your page's reach. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening LinkedIn, accessing settings and privacy, navigating to data privacy, finding invitations from your network, and enabling page invitations, you can now allow your network to invite others to follow your page. This update not only streamlines the process of growing your audience but also fosters a more connected professional community. Happy networking!